Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am going to do 2 tiles in the bloom technique, and we are just going to keep it simple today. And we are using Liquitex Basics, Prism Violet, and Quinacridone Magenta, and the topper, and that is it. So on one of them I'm going to put the purple down first, and on the other one I'm going to put the magenta down first, and we're going to see how different they look. So to be fun and quick and easy, maybe not that quick, but you know, as quick as you can get these things to slide around, right? Am I right? All right. Let's just get the pillow paint down. Whoa, that's a lot of pillow paint. Well, this ought to just slide right off of here. All right. When you see the bubbles, just pop the bubbles. Just makes it, the final product so much better. All right, we're going to go with the purple first, or violet, whatever. Yeah, get the idea. All right. Yeah, I've been drinking my coffee and getting all this stuff to consistency, and I am hyped up and ready to go. Oh. All right, so we're going to see if this topper is a good consistency. It looks good, so we will see. If it's not, then we will just scrape it and do another one. Normally I just keep going, like, and then fix it for the next one. But today I really want both of these to turn out good, so. Lots and lots of bubbles. All right. Blow down and out, hopefully towards your corners. Woo! Yeah, that is pretty. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. It's a good way to start the morning. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put out the pillow paint. Well, on this one, while we're waiting for this to rise up. Rise up. Yeah, I am really feeling my Wheaties this morning. Nothing like a fresh cold brew first thing in the morning to get you going. I cannot drink regular coffee because the acid just burns my stomach. So cold brew has like 70% less acid than others, than the other kind. So I make my own. Got myself a little contraption and made my own. Look at that, it's huge. A friend of mine just gave me this Mardi Gras cup. And the cool thing about this Mardi Gras cup, beside the fact that it's huge and it holds a massive amount of coffee, on the other side, I don't know if y'all can see it. See that? It has the schedule for when Mardi Gras is in New Orleans for the next 7 years. 7 years. So March 5th is when it starts this year, and it's on there every year, and maybe we'll get to go to Mardi Gras in New Orleans one of these times. I have never been in New Orleans. We usually go to Galveston, Texas, the little island off the coast in Texas that has a pretty fun Mardi Gras lineup. And actually, it used to be funner. Now it's gotten to where they like rope everything off, and you have to pay just to get in to see the parades, and I don't know. It's gotten a lot more commercial than it used to be. So I wonder if that goes away. All right. Now I'm going to go a little bit further here. There we go. All right, just tilting it back and forth. Woo. This is just in the way. There we go. So it's me and my daughter who, Amber, and she's grown. She's like 36. And she's a quadriplegic, but that does not stop her. Like, she likes to go and like do stuff. So we went to Dickens on the Strand in Galveston right before Christmas, and that was a lot of fun. They had parades and all kinds of stuff. So it would be fun to take her to Mardi Gras in New Orleans. We like to do live music, and we like to do festivals here and there. I live in a little bitty town in Texas, and we always have something going on in this town, whether it's live music or they have an arts festival. They're having a jazz festival coming up. So they have parades multiple times, and that starts, the parades are so funny. They start right by my daughter's house, my other daughter's house, and go around the square downtown and then come back to my daughter's house. So her son thinks that, you know, he is the parade, that he owns it because it's at his house. So it's hilarious. All right, let's tilt this off. One more corner. It goes a lot faster with me yakking, doesn't it? You're like, no, just stop talking, girl. Don't drink so much coffee. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more. It's not covering that corner. There we go. That will help it. It's definitely slowed down. And this is what happens when you don't get one of your blows going directly toward a corner. Then you end up with a huge chunk of white that you're struggling to get it to go. But it is moving, so we'll just let it do its thing. All right, taking all that back to the middle. I'm actually going to take it that way just a little bit more. Get it centered the way I want it. Okay. All right. I think that is gorgeous. What do you guys think? That one was with the purple down first. So let's do this one with the magenta down first. Oh, I'm so messy. It's fine. All right, I'm thinking about my topper and did I like how it turned out? I'm thinking I want to just add like 2 drops of, or 3 drops of water to this. There, added 3 drops of water. Make sure it's mixed in good. Your topper is one of the most important elements. Like, so, I mean, consistency is so important that these are consistent with each other, and then that your topper is more fluid, a little bit runnier than your other paints. So, or you're not going to get the reaction you're wanting. Yeah, I think that's going to be good. Hopefully, we will see. All right, blow down and out. Wow. That is crazy pretty. Yep. I am so glad I put those 3 more drops of water in there. Makes all the difference. All right. Oh, we're gonna let it come to the top a bit. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and I will be right back. All right. Looking good. Just gonna start tilting it off. I'm going to, of course, put a little extra on the corners. There we go. I've learned that I like to add it to the corners as I go, because like if the weight is here, if I had already put some here, it's gonna roll faster and go over this part. So I don't like it when that happens. So I just put it on each corner as I go. Just a little trick I've learned, because I've done a lot of these styles. They are very, very popular. All right, put a little bit on this corner. By the time Christmas came, I was completely out, just about. This, I have a few left, not many. So, all right, shift it back to the middle before we go to the next corner. Yeah, so as soon as I get these done, I'm gonna do close-ups and then go edit this video and get it up, because I have a lot of projects going for you guys for videos, and they're multi days. Like I have some resin stuff I'm working on, so you have to do the first level of resin, then let it dry, do the second level, and there's like 4 or 5 levels, and then also have another bloom that I did that has to dry, and so I can take the tape off and stuff and show you the whole process at once. So I have so many things that are just multi-steps that I do not have anything to show you guys today. So I'm like, oops, darn, I'm gonna have to get up and do a bloom. Life is hard. Oh, all right. One last corner. All right, that is good. Now bring it back to the middle. All right, wow. All right, there's that one. All right, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up, and then I'm going to post this video and let you guys see it immediately. Okay, all right, hold on guys. Bring you in for a close-up. All right, here is the first one that we did. We put the violet down first, and then the magenta. so many pretty spots. And here is the second one that we did. We put the magenta down first, and then the violet. I don't even know which one's my favorite. I like them both. All right, guys, let me know what you think and what color combination you'd like to see next. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.